Think you've seen every cleaning hack out there? Think again. Here are 5 weird but genius cleaning hacks in 60 seconds. Stained clothes? Sprinkle coarse salt and scrub with half a lemon. It lifts stains, kills bacteria, and leaves a fresh citrus scent. Want silverware that sparkles? Toss a crumpled ball of aluminium foil in the cutlery basket before running the dishwasher. It removes tarnish and boosts shine. Pet hair everywhere? A simple lint roller pulls fur right out of carpets and rugs in seconds. No fancy tools needed. Microwave splatters? Heat a bowl of lemon water for 3 minutes, then wipe. Steam does the hard work for you. Microwave splatters? Heat a bowl of lemon water for 3 minutes, then wipe. Steam does the hard work for you. Love a clean home? Tap like, hit subscribe, and join the Amenify family.